What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dariano, and we are here with part 9 through 15 of reviewing Keyscape sounds. This intro video is going to be used for all the series because we're going to be taking a listen to all the EPs all across. So we're starting with Rose. We're going to work our way to Wurlitzer, Vintage Vibe EP, Pianets, Wealthmeisters, Electric Grand CP70s, and the duos. So without further ado, let's hop on in. right, y'all. Look, these duos, hey, look, they ain't nothing to play with. These mugs are beasts. Dude, I'm gonna have to say my favorite out of these are gonna be, will be the Luxus 70s. That mug is sweet. It just sounds so full and it sounds good, y'all. Look, mm. Look, I can go on that all day. That mug sounds so luscious. All right, y'all. So y'all got to do me that favor. Go tell me which duo EP is your favorite. Leave it below in the comments section. I'm curious to know. And for those who don't have the program, look, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. If you pick it up for me, it helps out the channel. I can go get more VSTs and review them and go from top to bottom to see if they're hot or not, like we do in Keyscape. So this is part 15. Part 16 is coming, and that's going to be a new chapter. All right, y'all. Catch y'all later. Peace.